Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Take Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to access the shortcut keys in Windows 10 to bring up your emojis. It's very simple. Holding the Win key down and pressing the period, there they are. They pop right up. So let's insert, this is my video here. Let's insert an emoji in there. I'll show you how it's done. So we'll just type in cool. Push the Win key. Period. And you have a whole pile of emojis to choose from. Using the scroll wheel, you can just scroll through them, decide which one you want. But here we're going to insert a heart. So cool. Put 1, 3, 4. Submit. And there's your emojis. So all you have to do is the window key, period, goes out. Also, the Windows key and the colon, semicolon, will bring it up as well. So that's all you have to do to insert emojis in your favorite social media sites. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.